This is an introductory video for teachers using virtual mini whiteboards. When you first log in, enter the name of your class and click enter, and we're straight in. We have our teacher area. We now need students to join, so create a join code, copy the full URL and send it to your students. I've got two pretend students here in separate web browser windows. My students have now joined and they each have their own mini whiteboard. The join code is only active for 5 minutes, so if your students don't manage to get in within 5 minutes, just create another join code and that will be fine. So they haven't appeared on my screen yet. That's because I either need to reload or refresh. It doesn't do it dynamically in case you're drawing on things at the time. So press R and I've now got them. I write on this main left top board in black, and what I write is kind of scaffolding which will appear on all the student boards. Students then write in blue. They don't have a choice in that. That's just their colour. And you get to see what they've written here. Then the next thing is you can then give feedback to each student individually. So I can mark their work and they instantly are getting feedback in real time. And I can give extra indication of where they might want to look further if they haven't got something correct. Students, as well as writing on their boards, can put their hands up. You get a yellow help thing appearing on their screen, or they can say that they've finished. So maybe they put their hand up to get your attention because they want their work marked, and there it goes. Now, a key important part of vMini whiteboards is in the help. It talks about using the keyboard, and the keyboard is pretty critical. By holding T and X and clicking, you can very quickly give lots of fast feedback. There is also a way to order the screens to put those that most need your attention at the top. For example, by pressing H, those people that got their hands up will appear at the top, or by pressing R, it will prioritize students that you haven't given so much feedback to. Okay, so by pressing H now, this one that says done, their hand is up, it will put them to the top. By holding the T button, I could give that one there. By holding the X, I can put a cross there. Students can then clear their whiteboards, they can clear your marking if they want, and they can have another go. And you can then have another go at giving them some feedback. That's about it. You can clear everything at the end to get on to the next question. You can change the thickness of the lines, and there are some options to add grids or axes if you want some fast starting points. Finally, if you wish to invite another teacher, just create a new invite code and copy and send it to them so they can get started too. Thank you for listening. I hope you find this to be a useful classroom tool.